In a world where financial independence and flexibility are increasingly valued, starting a side hustle can be one of the most rewarding decisions you make. Imagine turning a skill or passion into a profitable venture, all while maintaining control over your time and your future. Whether you're looking to earn extra income, explore a new passion, or eventually transition to full-time entrepreneurship, a side hustle can be the perfect launch pad. Take freelance writing as an example, a hustle that anyone with a passion for words and a bit of creativity can dive into. What's incredible about freelance writing is that you don't need a huge upfront investment or fancy equipment to get started. All you need is a computer, a reliable internet connection, and a drive to learn and grow. The steps laid out here will guide you through the process of starting your freelance writing hustle from scratch. From picking your niche to making your first sale, growing your client base, and refining your business for long-term success, this 27-day blueprint will help you transform your writing skills into a profitable, sustainable side hustle. Let's dive in and get your freelance writing journey off the ground. Let's take a freelance writing hustle as an example and break down each of the 27 steps in practical terms, providing you with a concrete, doable hustle to follow along with. This example will allow anyone interested in becoming a freelance writer to easily understand and implement the steps in a real-world context. Day 1. Start with an idea. As a freelance writer, your hustle starts with the idea of offering your writing services to others. You can specialize in areas like blog posts, copywriting, social media content, or even technical writing. Think about what interests you, writing about health, technology, travel, or personal finance. Your goal on day 1 is to decide what type of writing services you'll offer and explore a few ideas within this field. Day 2, choose your hustle. Now, you need to narrow down your writing services. You might be tempted to offer everything, but instead, focus on 1 or 2 specific niches to increase your chances of success. Ask yourself, 1, do I enjoy writing about specific topics like health, finance, lifestyle? 2, do I have the skills to write compelling content for businesses or blogs? 3, can I write quickly while maintaining quality? For example, you could choose to specialize in writing blog posts for small businesses in the wellness industry or crafting engaging social media content for tech startups. Once you decide, commit to it. Day 3, set up your hustle. Here's where you take practical action. To officially start your freelance writing hustle, 1, set up a simple website or portfolio. Platforms like WordPress or Wix allow you to create free portfolios. Include writing samples, your contact info, and services. 2, create profiles on freelance platforms. Join websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, where businesses post writing gigs. 3, set your rates. Research what other writers charge and set a competitive price for your work. It could be hourly or per word, depending on the type of writing. The idea is to get everything up and running. Don't wait for perfection. Day 4, make your first sale. Your first sale can be a low-stakes, small project to get started. Reach out to your network, friends, family, LinkedIn connections, and offer your writing services. You can even offer a discount to make it easier for people to say yes. The first paid job will give you credibility and boost your confidence. It could be a 500-word blog post for $20 or a short product description for $10. The goal is to get paid for your work and validate your hustle. Day 5, introduce your product or service to the world. Now that you've made your first sale, it's time to let the world know. You can 1, post about your services on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. 2, write articles on Medium or LinkedIn posts to demonstrate your writing expertise. 3, reach out directly to small businesses or bloggers via email, offering to help with their content. Offer something valuable for free, like a writing tip or a sample blog post, to capture attention and draw potential clients. Day 6, expand your reach. Start expanding your reach by 1, networking. Join online writing communities, forums, or Facebook groups where businesses might be looking for writers. 2, cold emailing. Identify potential clients, e.g. bloggers, small businesses, or e-commerce websites, and pitch your services. Personalize your message to stand out. 3, guest posting. Offer to write guest posts for blogs in your niche to showcase your expertise. The goal is to grow your audience and attract clients beyond just your immediate circle. Day 7. Improve your hustle. Take a step back and evaluate what's working and what's not. Are you getting feedback from clients? Do you need to improve your writing skills in certain areas? Consider 1. Taking a course to improve your SEO writing or learn about different writing styles. 2. Improving your website or portfolio to make it more professional. 3. Asking for testimonials from the clients you've already worked with to build social proof. Improving your hustle involves constant learning and refining your craft. Day 8. Add systems to your hustle. Implement systems to save time and increase efficiency. 1. To use a tool like Trello or Asana to keep track of assignments and deadlines. 2. Set up an invoicing system, such as PayPal or QuickBooks, to easily send and track payments. 3. Create a contract template that you can use for each new client to ensure professionalism. Systems will help streamline your process, allowing you to handle more clients and projects. Day 9. Get more sales. Focus on increasing sales by offering additional services. 1. If you're writing blog posts, offer to write related social media content as well. 2. Upsell your clients on premium services, such as content strategy consulting or SEO optimization. The key here is to think about how you can provide even more value to your existing clients to encourage repeat business. Day 10. Find ways to save time. Time is precious, especially when you're juggling multiple projects. Consider 1. Outsourcing tasks. If you can afford it, hire a virtual assistant to help with administrative tasks, e.g., scheduling, invoicing. 2. Batching work. Group similar tasks together, such as writing multiple blog posts in one day, to increase productivity. 3. Using templates. Create email templates, proposals, and outlines that you can reuse, saving time on each project. By saving time, you can focus more on the creative work and less on the repetitive tasks. Day 11. Tweak your business model. Now that you've got a few clients and sales, you may find that your initial approach needs some adjustments. 1. Are you spending too much time on smaller, low-paying gigs? 2. Is there a demand for a specific type of writing you hadn't anticipated? Tweak your business model by adjusting your pricing, focusing on higher-paying niches, or finding the services you offer to meet market demand. Day 12. Deal with challenges. Every business has its challenges. You might face late payments, difficult clients, or writer's block. To handle challenges, 1. Set clear expectations with clients up front. 2. Develop strategies to overcome writer's block, e.g., setting daily word count goals or taking breaks. 3. Have a plan for managing stress, like setting boundaries on how many projects you'll take on at once. Be prepared for the inevitable road bumps, but see them as opportunities for growth. Day 13. Get more customers. To get more customers, start focusing on 1. Referral programs. Offer existing clients a discount or bonus for referring new clients. 2. Networking. Attend local business meetups or industry events, even virtually, to meet new potential clients. 3. Advertising. You can invest in paid ad on social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram to attract more clients. The goal is to consistently increase your client base without overwhelming yourself. Day 14. Keep it going. At this point, you've gained some traction. It's crucial to keep the momentum going. Stay consistent with your work, marketing efforts, and client outreach. Set monthly goals for yourself, whether it's the number of clients, word count, or income. Day 15. Make your hustle sustainable. To ensure long-term success, 1. Set financial goals and plan for taxes. 2. Create a savings account specifically for your side hustle. 3. Establish work-life balance by scheduling off days where you disconnect from work. Sustainability means building a business that you can maintain over the long run. Day 16. Go deeper. Now that you're in a steady flow, go deeper into your niche. Start researching trends and best practices in your area of writing to stay ahead. Specializing even more can position you as an expert, which can command higher rates and attract premium clients. Day 17. Expand your offerings. Once you got a handle on one type of writing, consider expanding your services. You might start offering 1. Content editing, 2. Copywriting for advertisements, 3. SEO services. Expanding your offerings can help you serve a broader range of clients and increase your income. Day 18. Increase your profits. Find ways to boost profits by 1. Raising your rates as you gain experience. 2. Offering long-term contracts for recurring work. 3. Streamlining your processes to work more efficiently. A focus on profit growth will ensure that your side hustle remains lucrative. Day 19. Get help. As your workload grows, consider hiring help. 1. Hire another writer to help with larger projects. 2. Use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway to improve the quality and speed of your writing. Getting help can take your hustle to the next level without sacrificing quality. Day 20. Automate your hustle. Automate repetitive tasks using tools. 1. Use Zapier to connect different apps, e.g., automatically send invoices after completing a project. 2. Set up autoresponders for emails to manage client inquiries. Automation lets you focus on the creative side of your hustle while streamlining the rest. Day 21. Reassess your goals. Take some time to step back and assess your long-term goals. Are you happy with the direction your business is heading? Do you want to continue growing, or would you prefer a smaller, more manageable side hustle? Day 22. Reflect on the process. Reflect on the journey you've been through so far. What challenges did you face, and what lessons have you learned? This reflection will give you valuable insights for the future of your hustle. Day 23. Avoid common mistakes. Identify common mistakes that you want to avoid. 1. Overpromising and underdelivering. 2. Not managing finances properly. 3. Taking on too much work at once. Learning from others' mistakes can save you time and frustration. Day 24. Manage your time. Time management is critical when balancing a side hustle with other responsibilities. Use time-blocking techniques to allocate specific hours for client work, marketing, and learning. Day 25. Build your brand. As a freelance writer, your brand is everything. Create a professional online presence with consistent messaging across your website and social media. Share your successes and the value you offer through your writing. Day 26. Create more value. Think about how you can create even more value for your clients. Offer additional services, provide resources, or become an expert in a new niche. Day 27. Keep moving forward. Don't rest on your laurels. Continue to grow your hustle, refine your processes, and find new ways to bring value to your clients. The key is to keep evolving and pushing yourself. By following the 27 steps outlined above, you're not just setting up a side hustle. You're creating an opportunity to take control of your financial future and explore something that excites you. Starting a freelance writing business or any side hustle is a journey filled with both challenges and rewards. Every step you take, from choosing your niche to building systems and growing your client base, helps you shape a business that fits your lifestyle, passions, and goals. The road to success may not always be smooth, but with persistence, strategic planning, and continuous improvement, your side hustle will evolve into a sustainable source of income and personal fulfillment. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility. It's not just about earning extra cash. It's about creating a life where you can work on your own terms, doing something that brings you joy and purpose. So, keep pushing forward. Every day is a step closer to turning your passion into profit and achieving the independence you've always dreamed of. Remember, success doesn't come overnight, but with consistent effort, dedication, and a clear roadmap, you'll have all the tools you need to thrive in your side hustle. The world is waiting for your unique voice. Now go out there and make your mark.